Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever Googled what is machine learning? Is AI going to take my job? Do I need to learn math for ML? And then close the tab after 2 minutes because nothing made sense. Don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to answer the 10 most commonly asked questions about machine learning, but in a way that is simple, practical, and yes, a little bit funny. So stay till the end because some answers might actually surprise you. What is machine learning? Machine learning is basically teaching computers to learn from data instead of giving them strict instructions. Simple example. Instead of telling a computer, this is spam, this is not spam, we show it many examples and it learns patterns. Think of it like training a kid, except the kid doesn't argue, doesn't get tired, and doesn't ask for snacks every 5 minutes. Is machine learning difficult? Short answer, it depends. Long answer, if you try to start with heavy math and theory, yes, it feels difficult. But if you start with simple projects like spam detection, prediction systems, then it actually becomes fun. It's like gym. First day, pain. After 1 month, confidence. Do I need to be very good at math? Ha, yes, the most feared question. Do you need math? Basic understanding? Yes. PhD level math? No. You don't need to derive formulas. You just need to understand what's happening. Think of it like driving a car. You don't need to build the engine. You just need to know how to drive. What is the difference between AI, ML, and DL? This confuses almost everyone. Let me simplify. AI, the big umbrella, everything intelligent. ML, a part of AI, learning from data. DL, a part of ML, deep neural networks. A simple analogy: AI is like an entire restaurant, ML will serve like your menu, and DL is going to be that special dish. Which programming language should I learn? Very simple. Start with Python. Why? Because easy to learn, huge community, tons of libraries. Also, let's be honest, Python is like that one student in class who is good at everything. How long does it take to learn machine learning? Depends on your consistency. If you study 1 hour daily, 2 to 3 months basics. With projects, 4 to 6 months confidence. But here's the truth: machine learning is not something you finish. Even experts are still learning. So relax, you're not late. Then we have the seventh question: can I get a job with machine learning? Yes, but not just by watching videos. You need projects, practice, and problem solving. Companies don't ask, did you watch 100 tutorials? Instead, they ask, what have you built? We have question 8. What are the best beginner projects? Start simple. Do projects like spam detection, student marks prediction, movie recommendation. Okay? Don't try to build Chat GPT on day one. That is not possible. So start small and then later on grow big. We have question 9. Why do models sometimes give wrong predictions? Well, the answer is because data is not perfect. Garbage in gives rise to garbage out. If your data is bad, your model will also be confused, right? Makes sense. It's like asking what is 2 plus question mark. It's incomplete, is it not? Even humans will be like, bro, what is the question even? We have the last question and the most asked question. This is the question on demand. Is AI going to replace the jobs? Well, this is the question. Well, let's be honest. AI will not replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't use AI. I hope it makes sense. So instead of being scared, start learning it. It's high time you actually start using AI, because if you don't use AI, humans who use AI will replace you for sure. Make AI your teammate, not your competitor. People nowadays are looking at AI as a competition. They are treating it as a competitor. Rather, treat AI as your teammate and make the most of it. So, quick reality check. If your model works, I am a genius. If it doesn't, then it's a dataset problem. That was the fun part. So, welcome to machine learning. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And if you do have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. And also, please don't be shy because my model's weights aren't locked yet. On the fun part, comment which question helped you the most and subscribe for more beginner friendly AI and machine learning content. And also, do not miss out on checking out our videos. We will post videos regularly. Please do comment what videos do you want. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to Corporate Connection. Thank you guys.